Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to work the single crochet stitch. I have already done my chain, and if you want to catch up you can just pause the video, make your chain ready and continue from there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to work your single crochet stitch into your foundation chain. First we're going to insert our hook in the next chain stitch from our hook. So we're not counting this one, but we're going to go right in the middle of the next one. So we're going to insert our hook right in the middle of the chain. We're going to pick up the yarn. Then we have 2 loops on our hook. Then we're going to pick up the yarn again and we're going to pull through 2 loops. And again, we're going to go right in the middle of the next chain. We're going to insert our hook, we pick up the yarn, we pull through, we have 2 loops on our hook, and then we're going to pull through 2. And again, we're going to insert our hook, we pick up the yarn, we pull through, then we have 2 loops on our hook, and then we're going to pull through 2 loops, and that's our single crochet. And we're going to continue in the same way. We're going to insert our hook right in the middle of this chain like that. Pick up the yarn slowly, we pull through, and then we're going to pull through 2 loops, and that's our single crochet. And again, we're not going to go under here, we're going to go right in the next chain, and we're going to insert our hook, and then we're going to pull through, and then we're going to pull through 2 again. And the same thing, we're going to go in the next one, insert our hook, pick up the yarn and pull through. We have 2 loops right now at this stage, and now we're going to pick up the yarn again and we're going to pull through 2. And same thing, we're going to insert our hook, pick up the yarn, and we're going to pull through 2. Insert our hook, pick up the yarn, and pull through 2. Okay. And now we have completed our first row of single crochets, and we're going to go and continue to do the second row. So to do the second row, you will need to chain 1. It doesn't matter how many stitches you have here, you're just going to always chain 1 if you want to move to the next round, because that 1 chain substitutes 1 single crochet, and it's just for us to make our edges even and our project look nice. So you're always going to chain 1 at the end of the row and you turn your work. So that's going to count as your first single crochet stitch at all times. So what we're going to do now is we are going to do a little bit different than we did in the previous round, because now we have our chain on the top, And we're not going to go in the middle anymore. From now on, we're going to go under, and we're going to continue in this way because the whole texture has already changed once you have completed your first round. And you're going to go under. You're going to insert our hook, insert your hook here under that V thing, and you pick up the yarn and you pull through, and you pull through, and you pull through two. And again, you see you have that. We used to go right here in the middle, but now we're going to go under. And we're going to go insert our hook, pick up the yarn. We have two loops on our hook, and then we pull through two. And again, we're going to insert our hook, and we're going to insert our hook. We pick up the yarn. We have two loops on our hook, and we pull through two. And the same thing. Insert our hook, pick up the yarn, and pull through two. So again, insert our hook, pick up the yarn, and pull through two. Insert our hook, pick up the yarn, and we pull through two. And we're going to again insert our hook, and same thing. We're going to go right under, insert our hook, pick up the yarn, we pull through. We have two loops on our hook, and we pull through two. And again, you're going to go insert your hook, going to pick up the yarn, you pull through, and then you pull through two. And again, we're going to insert our hook, pick up the yarn, you pull through, you have two loops on your hook, pull through two. I'm going to same thing. And then in the last one. And now again, if you want to move to the third round, you're just going to chain one, you're going to turn your work, and you're going to start everything. Again, you're going to insert your hook, you pick up the yarn, you pull through, you have two loops on your hook, and then you pull through two, and that's your single crochet. And this is how you can continue until you reach your desired length. And at this stage, you can start already using this stitch to make an easy project like a scarf or any dishcloth. So this is a very, very nice and easy stitch, and it's a basic stitch for any crochet project. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit the subscribe button for more free tutorials. Thank you.